In this video, I'm going to show you how not to get banned when doing affiliate YouTube ads. So I'm going to give you all the best practices you need to safely run your affiliate ad account so you can scale. We have students in our coaching program doing $50,000 days with affiliate marketing, so this stuff works. But guys, before we get into this video, make sure to hit that like button and let's get right into it. So guys, one of the most common questions I get is, does Google even allow affiliate marketing on YouTube or the Google network? There's this myth that Google just hates affiliate marketing. However, that's not true. If you actually look at common search results, if you look at some of the most popular ads running on YouTube, affiliate marketing is pretty common and Google actually tolerates it, but they do dislike spammers. So one of the big issues with affiliate campaigns are when affiliates run campaigns without any consideration of the user experience. So for example, they'll send affiliate traffic right to the offer. That's a big no-no. If you're direct linking to affiliate offers, you're going to get suspended extremely fast just because Google does not like that. However, if you do send them to a website with content and then you send them to an affiliate offer, that's completely okay. But you want to avoid direct linking to affiliate offers because that is 100% going to get you banned instantly. So do not do that. Now, how do you be compliant, right? So first of all, do not direct link to whatever affiliate offer you're promoting. That's a great way to get banned. Number two is register a domain, right? So have some sort of general domain that you can use to test offers with. Make sure it's a .com domain, as usually those tend to be more trustworthy. And then stick to one domain per Google Ads account, right? You do not want to be testing multiple domains in each Google Ads account, and there's a reason for that. The reason is if you have multiple domains, let's say one of those domains expires and some spammer buys that domain and you have old ads still kind of pointing towards that domain that perhaps have been paused, then your account can get suspended because it's associated with this domain that's now being used for nefarious purposes. So that's why we keep it to one domain per Google Ads account. It can be a general store or a general website where you can promote different offers in different niches, but the rule is one domain per Google Ads account. Now, at this point, you might be asking, hey, you're saying per Google Ads account, how do I make multiple of them? Very easy, you create an MCC account. So MCC account, it's kind of like the Facebook Business Manager, but on Google. So what you want to do is actually create an MCC account and then create sub accounts underneath that. So that gives you some insurance. If one of those accounts gets suspended, then you usually have other accounts as well. So that's really important to keep in mind, is create the MCC and then sub accounts underneath that. Now, how do you set up your website, right? So here are a few key tips to make sure you're compliant, and these will reduce your chances of getting suspended quite a bit. Number one is use SSL. So basically what that means is that your website is more secure. So that's a really important consideration for showing Google that, hey, this website is trustworthy, and users as well want to go to websites that are SSL certified. Second is you want to have a privacy policy page and you want to have a terms and disclaimer page, right? Those are kind of the basics that most websites have. And again, they show that you're a real website. Now, the third piece of this is you want to have an about and contact us page. These kind of show Google that, hey, this is a legitimate website. So if you have a manual review, usually having an about and contact us page does push things over the edge of showing Google that, hey, this is a legitimate content website. It's not just a thin affiliate website, which is just used for affiliate marketing. Now, from there, if you do have affiliate links, have an affiliate disclosure at the bottom. It can be in small print, but make sure to have that affiliate disclosure. And the last key piece of advice is you should have 3 to 5 articles on the website, 3 to 5 blog posts, 3 to 5 pieces of content on the website to kind of show that, okay, there's some content, there's something going on the website other than, affiliate offers, right? So with YouTube, it's less strict, but especially with Google search, you do want to make sure you have a lot of content on the website to show that it's legitimate and it's not just an affiliate kind of thin website, right? Google does not like bad user experiences, right? And that's what a lot of these one-page affiliate websites are. They are bad user experiences, right? Because all they do is just sell people to go click on that affiliate link. On the other hand, if it looks like a legitimate website, like a legitimate review website, a legitimate kind of content or blog website, then it's much more likely to pass through kind of these checks and you should be able to run your account without getting suspended. Now, obviously, those are things on the website side. So on the ad and offer side, what can you do? So make sure to understand what you can promote and not promote. For example, ingredients in supplements that you can't promote. They tell you exactly what kind of products you can promote or not promote. So just look up the Google policies on Google Ads for products that you can promote and not promote, and that will help you a lot. Second key thing is with your ads. Obviously, with your ads, you want to make sure you don't make too many exaggerated claims. There's a fine line here. With YouTube, you can get away with a lot more than you can on Google ads or Facebook ads, but you do want to understand that, hey, if you just have every single ad be extremely exaggerated, and if there's a manual review, that may cause issues down the line. So you want to skirt that fine line between having an ad that converts versus an ad that just makes exaggerated and untrue claims, right? So you want to be very careful with that. So guys, that wraps it up for the major traps you have to avoid to ensure that your Google Ads account does not get suspended for running affiliate YouTube ads. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. We have another video on how you can choose the right affiliate offer, so there'll be a card above so you can go check that out as well. Thanks for watching this video.